Good morning guys and welcome to the next way trading. My name is Lester. Today in this video I'm gonna teach you this turbo strategy for binary options. Don't require too much experience, too much time. It's a good strategy, it's a writable strategy, and we are gonna see in the live trades today. Let's roll with this video. Okay guys, I'm gonna share with you this live trading session on this strategy created for binary options, and I'm working on this in the last months and trying to find a good strategy. Maybe if you don't know how to follow many indicators, if you don't know how to follow the signals we provided you, I provided you sometimes. So with this strategy is gonna be, we are gonna using less indicators, but we are gonna have more opportunities. And for start this video, I'm gonna say this strategy is working. It's so much writable. Follow the trend. So with that, I'm gonna share with you this result that I have, and I'm gonna explain why I decided taking these signals, why sometimes we using I using this strategy, and for me is really good. Obviously it's not 100% effective, but it's a good one. It's a good strategy. So we can trade for 2 minutes or 3 minutes maximum, and asking me if it is writable in 5 minutes. We can test it. We can test it and see if it is writable or not. So for now, I'm gonna explain why this one is in the money. What happened with these trades, right? If you see, we are gonna use two indicators: one moving average period 18 and Williams range percentage. We are gonna configure 18 period and 20. Okay, this is this one here. Basically we are gonna trade waiting opportunities like this, cross it, and here cross it too. What we are waiting with this? Well, we are waiting a good opportunity and waiting only the Williams range telling us the direction we are gonna take into the next signal. For example, here telling me is going up, crossing the Williams range. So we are entered for 2 minutes. Okay, if you see here I have candles in 1 minute. Okay, the charts I see in 1 minute. So we decided to trade only in 2 minutes. So enter in 2 minutes and trade. But if you see it, I have this one here. So I received the signal telling me crossing the moving average. So I just waiting here, crossing the range, Williams range, and I enter for 2 minutes, and I have it in the money. Okay, here I enter in a good moment and a good opportunity to trade. So what happened with this? Lester looks good, but yes, I enter here. So crossing the Williams range, but I need to enter in this candle in the moment they start this candle. So I lost my opportunity and I enter for 2 minutes. So I have out of the money on this signal. What happened with this signal? Okay, I'm gonna explain all the signals. We need to know. We are gonna see it right here. Okay, I enter. Let me show you. I received the signal right here. I enter early and I enter on this candle, so I have it a good in the money with this signal. Don't cross it. I don't know. I enter early on this. What happened with this? Gonna delete this. What happened with this? So here was draw. So cross it. I enter on this candle, but I enter almost here. So I ended my trade on this candle and was draw, but the signal was good. So just I entered too late because I need to enter when it start this candle right here. So in that I can stay in the money. So what happened? It's gonna delete this. We are gonna see this. Okay, we are gonna have more pairs to analyze, and we are gonna leave it one-on-one. So this good strategy can trade with 2 minutes or 3 minutes, and even maybe 4 minutes. So what is this strategy and how we are gonna trade? Remember, the indicator is so important, and have patience. So we are gonna trade when crossing our Williams range for 2 or 3 minutes, and we are gonna trade follow the direction of the trend. For example, here crossed the Williams range, so we enter here and even have this little reverse. We stay in the money because 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, and 7 minutes stay in the money if you enter on this the moment they cross it. Okay, and we are here and here. What we are waiting here? Cross it, don't cross it here, so we don't enter. So we see it cross it again here. No, there. I think crossing on this candle, the green one. Cross it, we enter for 2 or 3 minutes, enter 1, 2, 3, and in the money, right? So waiting again, we are gonna waiting again, waiting here. Maybe we're gonna see this one. It's not follow the trend, but definitely looks good. Cross it here, cross it here. I think cross it on this one, and have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, and you can enter on this candle. You can enter for 1 minute. If you see it too late or whatever, you can enter for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. You see it is writable in even in 4 minutes. So we have another signal here in the same currency pairs. We have it here. The first one cross it, because cross it maybe I think is here. So we enter for 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, maybe here is out of the money, but cross it again. Okay, cross it here, and we have 1, 2. This is in the money. This is in the money, right? Oh, I lost the signal. So we have here, right? So we have another signal right here, and cross it here, and I think is this one right here. So we have enter, and this candle on the next one was in the money because we enter here. For example, enter here in this candle. So 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes in the money, right? This is a good strategy, guys. This is a good strategy that I using. I like it trade with this strategy, and I think it's so simple to use it. So we have the same here. I have a draw with this one, right? I have draw with this one because I entered too late. But if you're waiting or have our stable market, this one is not recommended for you. This one is a good and stable market because cross it, you see it, cross it here, just even cross it here on this candle. So we enter on this candle, and we have it in the money. Have 1, 2, 3, 4 in the money. And have a little reverse and doing again, because doing again we can enter for another 4 minutes here after of this reverse. You see here this reverse, we can enter for, I don't know, 3 minutes or 4 minutes, and we can have another 8 in the money. Let's go to find another example. This is the previous, right? This one was a good one, but I have out of the money. Why? Because I enter right here in the middle, and I enter only for 2 minutes. I think so, only for 2 minutes. So I have this huge down here, and I lost my opportunity. So what can I do with this? Enter again for this candle or waiting for this, because we have a huge drop here. We have this huge drop here, a big candle, and waiting for a good opportunity. But don't waiting in the moment they cross it. If you see it, I entered too early, because don't cross it the William Rage. Actually, the William Rage cross it and the green one here, or end in this one. So I need to enter maybe in this candle. So I will losing that trade because I don't have the patience. I don't waiting for a good opportunity. So we're going to find more examples. Let's go to find more examples to see if it is writable or not, this strategy. Well, we have a cross it, obviously what this candle, so we enter for this one, or maybe enter this one, I don't know, enter here, and we have 1, 2, 3, and eat in the money, 3 minutes. I see it. Even in, oh sorry, my pulses don't work well. So we have it in the money. Let me show you with horizontal line here. See it? Even stay in the money. Was a good signal too. So another example. This is in digital. We can use it. Oh, this is in 10 seconds. Sorry. My bad, guys. My bad. Let's go to see it in 1 minute, because the strategy working in 1 minute, and it's gonna be the same here. It's gonna be the same. We see it cross it obviously here or here, and we waiting. Well, I don't know if you enter on this for oh, don't have too much, but we can enter for 2 to 3 minutes and stay in the money, because start here, but we are gonna see it. Okay, start here, we enter here, and we are gonna see how ending this trade. So if we enter there, we are gonna use an horizontal line to know where, maybe here we enter a little bit later. Okay, so we are gonna see it how ending this trade. We have 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and 4 minutes with the last candle, and it's gonna be in the money with digital. This one doesn't crowd. It's important here. We see it. The first thing we see it is crossing the moving average, so we don't enter. We waiting and see it all the time. Our Williams Rage. Okay, this indicator is so good. So this is a good one. The same. I don't have too much time. Cross it. I think cross it here on this candle. 1 minute. Yes, 1 minute. We are gonna see. Oh, sorry. We are gonna see how ending this trade. Maybe enter too late, and we can have it out of the money with this signal. Oh, this gonna delete this. We are gonna wait. Let's go to see it. Another example doesn't cross it. Did this range, Williams range. We are gonna see it in binary. More examples on binary. Cross it, but we are gonna wait. This is another good example. Cross it. I think crossing this one or this one. It's gonna see it in the second one. It was a dip in the money, crossing here, enter for 4 minutes or 3 minutes, it in the money. So I think we have the idea how works this strategy. Doesn't require too much experience, and we waiting for this stable market. This is a beauty of market. See it, respect everything. Have in the money here, 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 and even here for maybe, I don't know, maybe this one is out of the money because maybe I enter here. So I don't know, if you enter for 3 minutes, I end in here and in the money, but this one is out of the money. So this type of market is a good one. Avoid this one, and don't enter. Look at this, in the money. This one is in the money, this one is in the money. So with this strategy, this turbo strategy is gonna help you to don't have too much indicators to wait in a good signal. Just need it to wait the Williams Rage and see if it crosses the moving average. That's it. And you're gonna, it's better to trade follow the trend. Don't require too many indicators. Don't require too much time. We can see in 1 minute candles, and we can trade for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Gonna be our decision, but you can see it all the time. If you enter waiting for a good opportunity, we are gonna have stay in the money. So my recommendation is using this strategy in practice, using the demo account and practice and practice and practice and practice and practice. You're gonna see the results you can have with this strategy. So this is my strategy. I hope this video like it. I hope this video can help you. This strategy for me is totally for beginners, don't require too much time, but the more important here is writable. It's a powerful strategy. So if you have questions about this strategy, please leave your comments below on this video and I'm gonna answer. I deleted spam comments, but if you have questions, I'm gonna answer. I'm gonna approve that comments. I'm gonna answer you, and we are gonna see how powerful can be this strategy for us. I'm gonna make more videos with this strategy. I hope this video like it, and see you in the next week.